Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm still in Darwin and I've headed out to a little nature reserve just outside the city where there's supposed to be a lot of different finches. At some times of the year, depending on the season, there may be up to 6 or 7 different species. Now I don't think we'll see that many today, but we'll try our best. Let's head off and see if we can find any of these little birds. Okay, so I reached a spot here where there seems to be quite a lot of finches around in these tall grasses. So I'll just get set up and then we'll be good to go. Alright, good to go. Sorry about the angle of the sun. It's not in a great position at the moment. Nonetheless, we'll push on. So really the philosophy is the finches are feeding in the grass and there's some tall strands of grass poking up quite high and they're tending to land on those. So all I'm going to try and do is isolate the finch on one of those tall sticks of grass against the background. A little bit easier said than done, because there's a bit of wind, so the grass is waving around and it can be a bit messy. So hopefully I'll find some areas where they're perching in some nice spots. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so the first birds we're going to look at here are the chestnut-breasted mannequins, and there's a mix of both old and young birds here. The adults are really obvious because they're just this brilliant, beautiful coloration, and the youngsters are these sort of drab brown birds. Alright, let's see if we can get them. Okay, it looks like now we've got some crimson finches coming in. Just these beautiful, brilliantly red birds. Again, mixture of adults and juveniles. The juveniles are really easy to tell because they're, again, a brown, drab little bird. But just beautiful. Have a look at them. This is quite a treat for me because back in Victoria where I'm from, we just don't have this variety of finch species, so being out here, seeing them all so close together is quite brilliant. Well, I really hope you enjoyed seeing all those finches. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you back on the channel very soon.